Alright everyone, this is an update video on Chainsaw Man Devil's Blood. Now, before last video, we checked out all the different characters, but now they added Makima. But I figured out what that one ability is that I couldn't use with Aki, and I don't know who I am. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I finally found out what that random ability was also weak. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what that ability was. So you do this, the curse thing, this thing that's E, you do E.
So
You do that to one of the dummies or a player 3 times. So I'll wait for it to cool down. Alright. Now that I've done it 3 times, we click on curse, the R. And this is what happens. That's the curse devil right there. Yeah, that's the curse devil. Aki made a contract with the curse devil alongside the fox and future devil. So yeah. So I just realized his sword. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to summon him, but yeah, I realized. Look, his sword is kind of like a needle almost, like got a katana handle, but it has like a giant needle. It's really cool, actually. He literally just takes it out of the sheath, not even like normally, but yeah. Now I'm gonna show you Makima's abilities. Also, apparently, oh my god, boobs. But, nothing. But yeah, here's a pose. Alright, got some chains. That's some creepy music. The melee. Run. Okay. Alright. Bang. I'll just use it on the weak one. Well, I can't use the finisher on mobile for some reason, but yeah. But yeah, that's Makima, and the ability I didn't know how to use with Aki. And also, with Katana Man, I saw skins under it. pink. It's just pink. 5,000 Robux. Wow. Yeah, I guess Katana Man has a pink skin where he's pink. I guess. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna go to Game Passes and see what's there. Passes and gear. In this episode, I'm gonna go there and see what's up. Oh, nope, never. Not that game. Not that game. I don't know where Devil's Blood is. Let me just find it. Well, I can't find it, but yeah, guys, that was today's video. So yeah, see you, everyone.